case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The landmark 1981 court case, Head and Seemann, Inc. v. Gregg, has left its mark in the annals of American legal history. The focus of the case centered around a fraudulent home sale and the consequential lawsuit that complicated the long-standing doctrine of election of remedies. The plot unraveled when the defendant, Betty Gregg, craftily manipulated Head and Seemann, Inc., convincing the plaintiff to sell their property to her. After a 5-month occupancy period, Gregg was evicted from the home following a court order. Head and Seemann, Inc., not about to let the matter rest, sought legal remedy by filing a claim seeking recompense for the lost use of the property during those 5 months. At the heart of the case was the question of whether the plaintiff could additionally recover the rental value and out-of-pocket costs incurred during the period of Gregg's occupancy. In its initial decision, the trial court invoked the doctrine of election of remedies, a concept traditionally employed to prevent victims from receiving double compensation in fraud cases. However, Head and Seemann refused to bow to this decision and launched an appeal. The defendant's deceit had run deep, as she had misrepresented her financial situation, claiming she held equity in a different property while failing to pay anything towards the new contract she had entered with the plaintiff. The appellate court, in a surprising twist, overturned the initial ruling. It held that the old doctrine of the election of remedies was not a one-size-fits-all solution. Rather, it recognized that the remedies in question, rescission and an action for damages, were not contradictory but could be jointly pursued. Moreover, they believed these remedies worked in tandem to restore the defrauded party to their original standing. Consequently, it was ruled that Head and Seemann, Inc. was rightly entitled to recovery for both their lost use of the property and any additional costs. This decision made clearly established that rescission and other restorative damages were not only consistent but essential in rectifying fraud cases. Victorious and vindicated, the plaintiff was lauded with a full reprieve, including the recoupment of all benefits that had been wrongfully conferred to the defendant, as well as any consequential damages pertaining to the case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.